Hello all. Welcome to HKR Training's YouTube channel. In today's class, we are here to discuss about Jira. Nowadays, every organization is in need of a solution that helps in improving the collaboration with the teams, also allowing to unlock the power of Agile. Jira is a solution that can be used as a project management tool. But what is Jira? Let us know about it in detail. Before we get to know more about Jira, let's look at our agenda for today. In this video, we will learn what Jira is, versions in Jira, features of Jira, advantages of Jira, and careers in Jira. I am sure you will definitely get an idea on the basics of Jira by the end of this video. But, before we proceed, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. What is Jira? The Jira software is a subscription-based project management tool that helps in the tracking and management of the tasks, project and team. The primary advantage of Jira is its ability to accommodate any project type by embracing a wide range of tools and integrations. The Jira software was created by an Australian software company called Atlassian, and is now extensively used by Agile development teams to monitor bugs, stories, epics and other activities. Jira was originally created for tracking the bugs and issues, but it was later enhanced to become a project management tool. Versions in Jira. Jira is now accessible in 3 versions. That is Jira Core, Jira Software and Jira Service Desk. Jira Core. Jira Core, as the name implies, is developed for project management teams and includes tools to assist them in completing a variety of projects. The Jira software incorporates all the Jira basic functionalities as well as Agile functionality. Jira software. The Jira software version is specifically designed for the software development teams, providing the basic core functionalities along with the Agile functionality. It is also used by the development teams that use Scrum, Kanban and other Agile-related frameworks. Jira Service Desk. Jira Service Desk is intended for IT professionals and other vocations that are categorized as service desk jobs. Jira is one of the most user-friendly applications in the market and it is renowned for a number of features. Let's get a bit deeper and know more about the features of Jira that makes it unique and popular from other tools. Features of Jira. Agile development. Jira is offering a smooth utilization of the different features that are available in Kanban and Scrum boards. Jira creates a Kanban or Scrum board whenever you select the project type, which can be either Scrum or Kanban. The Kanban tasks are continuous while the Scrum tasks get processed within a given time frame or sprints. 2. Efficient project tracking. The Jira software is capable of tracking the issues in the software at any stage during the cycle. It uses a customized query language called JQL that helps in sorting and filtering the issues based on the criteria. It allows you to create the stories and tasks at any screen, providing all the details about the planning, releasing, tracking and reporting. 3. Reporting. Jira's thorough reporting allows users to keep track of the status of each project work and develop better documentation. It also aids project managers in creating attractive project documentation with these reports. 4. Roadmap. The next feature is a roadmap for the project. Jira's project roadmap allows users to get a clear picture of the type of product they're working on. It aids in the development of a project timeline, the listing of many tasks that must be completed in order to complete the project, and the creation of both short and long-term goals. 5. Security. The Jira software tool includes the security settings that are capable of restricting the bug access only to those who need it. The bug security level can be created. It also includes a default permission scheme where the projects are assigned to the scheme as default. A certain security setting applied to one project can be applied to another one as well. 6. Time tracking. Next, we have tracking of time. The time tracking component of Jira is also quite useful. It allows users to keep track of how much time they spend on each task assigned in the workflow. This also aids team members in tracking individual progress and gaining an approximate idea of how long the project will take to complete. 7. Mobile application. Jira also offers a mobile application capability that features a user-friendly design and allows users to work from anywhere. This feature also allows the user to check on the state of the project from a remote location and track the progress of each work. Now that you have got an idea about the features available in Jira, let's get into the advantages of Jira, which will help you understand the main reasons behind its significance. Advantages of Jira 1. Built for Scrum and Agile management, the primary focus of Jira is on Agile management and is used for tracking the Agile project related information like user stories, sprints, story points. 2. Great for issue management, the Jira software is capable of helping the software teams in finding, tracking, and recording the bugs in the software. A good issue tracking tool like Jira will allow the team to view the list of the items in the backlog along with the project tasks and bugs. Highly customizable, Jira is capable of customizing the workflows as per the requirements. You can also customize the Scrum boards, reports, and many more. The Jira software is capable of integrating with the third-party software to make their work smoother and easier. Career with Jira, there are many different opportunities available for the aspirants who are looking to pursue their career in Jira. The salaries offered to the Jira aspirants and experts is high due to its intense demand and scope in the future too. The average salary offered to a Jira expert is ranging around 7 lakh per annum. I think you have now got a clear picture on what is Jira. If you are looking for a strong career, then Jira is one among the best platforms. Give us a thumbs up and do share this video with your friends. If you are watching the videos for the first time, do not forget to subscribe our HKR Trainings YouTube channel. To receive notifications about the upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon. For latest updates and blogs, follow our social media platforms. If you are interested to learn Jira and prosper your career, please visit www.hkrtrainings.com.